Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to install Windows operating system as a free. So let me see this topic until that end. And if you don't know knowledge about how to install operating system, Linux operating system, so click on this I button and watch that video. So let me move on to my computer screen. So I will go here in Google Chrome, then I will type here download Windows 10. Then you can enter it. You see here download Windows 10. You see here ISO file. I will click on here. Then you see here Windows to 10 2022 update version. You can update now, or you want to download, you can download from here. Create Windows 10 installation media, you can download from here. So I will download this file from this download options. Okay, what are the use tools? You can tools and upgrade the PC to Windows 10. Using these tools, you can installation from USB flash drive or DVD in ISO files in Windows in different PCs. Okay, more download option you can see here. Sign into Microsoft 365 admin, and then you can subscription of Visual Studio subscription from portal available of download. You can, when you download this Windows, then you can get all these kind of subscription Microsoft 365 subscription also you can get it. You can also get VS Studio subscription also, and Windows Insider sets. You can also get three types, three application you can get the subscription from here. Then you can, then I will download from here. You see your file get ISO file get download from here. You see here. Okay, you see ISO file get download from here. Right now this is my pen drive, and I want to take this ISO file into my pen drive. So I will use the one software is Rufus. So I will go another tab over here, and then I will type here Rufus download. Okay, then I will click on this. You see Rufus create bootable USB drives, the easy. I want to create this pen drive as a bootable, so I will click on this file first of the link, and then I will download Rufus 4.6 exe file for Windows 64-bit and 1.5 MB of the software, and you see the date. Okay, I will click on this link. You see Rufus software get installed over here. I double click on here. You see device name I Ubuntu. Then you see disk ISO image. Please select. So I will select the disk, this file, and then you can select from here your ISO file from here, and then you can new version are ready. So if you want to status ready, so I will click on ready over here, quick format. So I will click on quick format over here, and then my status is ready. So I will click on ready, and then I will start it. After that, your pen drive get bootable of Windows 10. Then after get bootable your pen drive, then you can do one thing. You can restart your computer or laptop, and then you can access the pen drive and press the F12 key. After you pressing the F12 key, you can access the bootable pen drive. You can access the bootable pen drive, and then you can enter it, and your Windows get start continuously or restarting continuously. It is a first way, and it is a first method for Windows of installation of Windows OS. Another way is to install the operating system Windows. So I will go here in start menu, then I will go to here in setting options. You see a setting option over here. Then I will go here update and security. I will click over here. Then after you see here recovery option. I will go here recovery option. You see here if your PC isn't running well, so resetting the might help to let you choose and keep your personal file or remove them. And then you can reinstall the Windows. To complete and reset, you will need to connect to your networks and instruction on your PC. So if your PC is not running to very well, then you can reset your Windows operating system from here. Get started options. When you get started from here, I will click here. Then you can choose here. You should keep my file here or remove everything. So if you want to remove everything and then you can submit it, then your Windows will get restart, or Windows will get restarting and formatting everything, and then your Windows will get restarting soon. Like that, you can install your operating systems and formatting your systems, and you can reinstall your systems from your PC. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.